Guys, today is a new video about the TikTok application, and right now I will show you how to use your photos and videos from the gallery as the TikTok stickers. Let's open the TikTok application and let's create a new video after tapping on the plus icon at the bottom panel of the screen. I will upload one of the photos from my gallery as the background. I will use this one and tap on the next. So guys, right now I have my photo as the background, and I will show you how to add another photo or video from the gallery as the sticker. So this is my background and I want to add the sticker after tapping on this icon from the right panel of the screen. Later we have a lot of funny stickers here, but we are interested in the first one. Clicking after this icon, I will be able to select any photos or videos from the gallery, and I will use this video as the sticker. Let's tap on the OK. Amazing! Don't forget that you can also rotate the created sticker, and also you can manage its size. I hope that you will like this option, and right now I will also show you how to post this newly created TikTok as usual after clicking on the next option here. Also, if you don't want to get any songs, or you can change the sound for your TikTok, let's tap on the top icon and I will use this recording. Let's tap on the next and I will set some title like hihi and let's post it. Guys, I hope that this very funny tutorial will be useful, and if you like it, don't forget to like it below and also subscribe to our channel to get more secrets about the TikTok and other programs. Goodbye guys, good luck!